Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a close look at the Potensic Atom 2 Fly More combo with RC PTD 1, a compact camera drone that's creating a lot of buzz among aerial photography enthusiasts, travelers, and content creators. So, is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why is this such a popular choice? Let's find out. The first thing that stands out about the Potensic Atom 2 is its impressive camera system. It features a half-inch Sony CMOS sensor capable of capturing ultra-detailed 48-megapixel images and stunning 8K photos. For video creators, it records stabilized 4K HDR video at 30 frames per second using a professional-grade 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This combination helps deliver smooth footage with excellent detail, vibrant colors, and impressive stability, even when flying in windy conditions. Now let's talk about what those numbers mean in everyday use. The 48MP sensor gives you plenty of detail for cropping, editing, and creating high-quality social media content. The f1.8 aperture and advanced pixel technology help improve image quality in lower light situations, making sunrise, sunset, and evening shots look cleaner and more vibrant. The drone also supports HDR video and P-log recording, giving creators greater flexibility when editing footage. One of the biggest highlights is flight time. Each battery can provide up to 32 minutes of flight, and the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, giving you an impressive total of up to 96 minutes of flying time before needing to recharge. For photographers and travelers, that means more opportunities to capture the perfect shot without constantly worrying about battery swaps. The included charging hub can recharge all 3 batteries in approximately 1.3 hours, making it incredibly convenient for longer adventures. Another feature that makes this drone attractive is its long-range transmission system. Potensic's PicSync 4.0 technology provides a maximum transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers while delivering a smooth 1080p live video feed to the controller. In real-world flying, that translates into reliable signal performance and responsive control for capturing distant landscapes and wide aerial scenes. The included PTD-1 Smart Controller is a major upgrade compared to traditional phone-based controllers. Instead of connecting your smartphone, you get a built-in 5.5-inch Full HD touchscreen with 1080p resolution and 700 nits of brightness. Just power on the controller and start flying. The controller also supports up to 3 hours of operation and fast charging, making the overall flying experience quicker and more convenient. Why is this drone becoming such a popular choice? A big reason is the balance between advanced features and portability. The Atom 2 weighs just 249 grams, keeping it under many registration thresholds while remaining easy to carry in a backpack or travel bag. Despite its lightweight design, it packs AI track technology, intelligent flight modes, waypoint flight planning, panoramic shooting, vertical shooting for social media content, night shooting enhancements, and multiple creative quickshot modes. AI track is especially useful for solo creators. The drone can automatically follow subjects using follow, spotlight, and parallel tracking modes, helping you capture professional-looking footage without needing a second operator. Whether you're hiking, biking, traveling, or filming outdoor activities, these intelligent features make content creation much easier. Performance-wise, the drone reaches speeds of up to 35.8 miles per hour and offers wind resistance up to 38 kilometers per hour, helping maintain stable flight and smoother footage even when conditions become less than perfect. Combined with the highly accurate 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, your videos remain cinematic and enjoyable to watch. For anyone looking for a lightweight drone that delivers high-resolution photos, stabilized 4K HDR video, intelligent tracking, long flight times, and a premium controller experience, the Potensic Atom 2 Fly More combo with RC PTD 1 offers an impressive package that feels much more advanced than its compact size suggests. It's designed to help creators capture more content, spend less time managing equipment, and focus more on flying and creating memorable footage. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.